Hello students, welcome to you all my YouTube channel. Myself Santosh Kumar. Today we will continue our chapter which is town traders and craft person. In this chapter today our topic is traders big and small. Dear children, you know very well in the medieval period of time there were many types of traders, like some were big traders, some were small traders, horse traders, etc. You know, in medieval period of time, traders who spent life just like a banjaras. Horse traders formed association with headmen, and headman who negotiated on their behalf with warrior who bought horses. Traders had to cross through many kingdoms and forests, therefore they travel in caravan for own protection. Dear children, you know traders who spend life just like a banjaras, so that's the reason who always moving one place to another place for trade purposes. So that's the reason who always passed, who always cross one forest to another forest, one kingdom to another kingdom. So for protection of, for self protection, who always make group, and which group called caravan. Okay, and also make a guilds. Now here what do we mean by guilds? Guilds which is also group, but which type of group? Group of traders. Okay, so group of traders is called guilds. In 8th century, in 8th century onwards, there were many guilds found in South India. For example, Manigramam and Nana Desi. Okay, both were the name of famous guilds in southern part of India. And next one is Chetiyars and Marwari Oswal. Chetiyars and Marwari Oswal, these are the name of also guilds which find in northern part of India. Dear children, जहाँ ट्रेड की बात हो रही है वहाँ अगर गुजरात स्टेट का डिस्कशन ना हो, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. ओके, सो Gujarati trading communities or guild called Hindu Banyas and Muslim Bohras. These were the name of guilds which find in Gujarat. Okay. They sold textiles and spices through western port, in exchange brought gold and ivory from Africa, also tin, silver and blue pottery from Asia and China. Dear children, due to tropical climate, India produces heavy amount of spices. Now here question rise, what do you mean by tropical climate? Tropical climate means which type of climate find in tropical region. Okay, that means 0 degree to 23rd half degree north and 0 degree to 23rd half degree south. This region is called tropical region. Okay, according to diagram, this is 0 degree, you know very well, equator line. This is Arctic Circle, this is Tropic of Cancer, this one is Antarctic, and this is Tropic of Capricorn. 23rd half degree north, 66 half degree north, this is 90 degree north, and this one is 90 degrees south, this one 66 half degree south, and this one is 23rd half degree south. So this region is called tropical region, and our country who belongs to this region, and therefore find which type of climate, tropical climate. So due to tropical climate, India produce heavy amount of spices. Also, Indian cotton cloth demandable in foreign market because it was very attractive. Okay, so dear students, next video we will discuss crafts in towns. Thank you.